Most people give up in stage one and they never actually get a facility under contract. Okay, so we're going to talk about stage. So there's 4 stages in investing in self-storage. And all right, we're going to do a big circle. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, stage 1 is going to be, your goal is to get it under contract. Okay, this is your goal. So what are all the things that I have to do in order to get a storage facility under contract? We're going to talk about that today. Okay, and then stage 2 is what we call onboarding. It's like a brand new term, you know what I'm saying? Like back in the day, nobody said, I'm going to onboard this or onboard that, right? But now, like every company you're getting onboarded all the time, right? So onboarding is that in-between stage between getting a facility under contract and actually closing on the deal. So stage 3 is closing and owning, right? And then stage 4 is automations. Okay, automations. Automate. Okay. All right. So these are the 4 stages. I go over all these extensively inside the course. We talk a lot about this in Storage Nerds. I have some videos on, videos everywhere on YouTube and stuff about it. So you can always check that out. But today, and then stage 2, I didn't include this, but it's really like the funding part. So onboarding and funding. Okay. So today we're going to talk about stage 1, and I'm going to talk about how I get this done, but I don't do any of the work. Okay. All right. How's that possible? How can you get something under contract and not do any of the work? All right. This is something that I learned like 10 years ago. I've been doing it. I've been investing in real estate now since 2011. And, back in the day when I first got started investing in real estate, I thought I had to do all the work, right? So I was going out looking at properties, and I've looked at thousands of properties, right? And then it kind of clicked. How can I get this done without doing any of the work? How can you get stage 1 done without doing any of the work? Okay, so stage 1, I would guess probably a lot of you are under this stage. Is there anybody here that has a facility under contract right now? And if you don't, then everybody's in stage 1, right? And the truth is that once you go through this cycle, I've been through this cycle 16 times. All right, so I've been through this cycle 16 times with storage, right? And right, and so you just keep, and then this one, the stage 1 here, I mean, the first time that you do this, it just takes forever, right? Because your hardest purchase is always your first one, right? And then every time that you go out, every time you say, yeah, I'm going to go out and buy a property, it gets easier and easier and easier. But the first time is always the hardest, right? And the first time, the truth is, right, is the first time, if you don't follow through, if you don't keep pushing, if you don't keep looking, if you don't keep making offers, then essentially most people just give up. All right. Most people give up in stage 1 and they never actually get a facility under contract. Okay. So I want to get you to the point where you do get a facility under contract. The success, right? Okay. So let's get you to be successful. Okay. How should I do that? Right there. Okay. Let's get you to be successful. So stage 1, the goal is to get a facility under contract. This is the goal. And you do this in stages. I mean, you do this in steps, right? Okay. So the first step, right, is that you have to find a storage facility to buy, right? That's the thing. It's like, where do I find these facilities to buy? All right, so let's talk about that. Step 1 There's two different ways, really. I mean, in the coaching program and in the course, we go over 15 different ways to find storage facilities. I'm going to go over like the two major ones, right? But you can either find a facility by going directly to the owner. That's what I teach. Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.